Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are working on a TEAC CD receiver, CRH227i. Customer said that it was not working. I don't know exactly what that means. So let's give it some power. Let's see if it switches on. So power is plugged in. We do have okay. So there's power. It's not going back in. Whether something's out of alignment there. It's like it's getting stuck on something. Yeah, let's get the top off and see why it's getting stuck. Okay, so we have the cover off this unit, and I can see that there's a CD that has fallen off the tray, so that's what is stopping the thing from closing. Just going to take this off and get the CD out. Is it going to fit out? No. Shrek. Okay. Let's switch it back on. That's a good sign. Spun up and the laser came up. Let's put a music CD in, see what happens. Oh. I'm going to need to put that back on. Before I close it up, I'm just going to clean the lens. Dust this off a little bit. Stick that back in. Which way did I take it out? This way. It's got little guide pins, thankfully. Ah. A little bit dusty in here. I wonder whether that was the main issue, just dust on the lens. I'll have to see if it plays or not. It does have its own amplifier in here, so you can connect speakers directly to it. It's like basically a small receiver, subwoofer out. Pretty cool. Okay, power. And play. Spinning up. And it seems to be playing. Cool. Let's connect a speaker and see if there's actually any audio. Some copyright-free music. Seems to be okay. Skipping tracks. I mean, that seems to be fine. Could have just been that it had a dirty lens. I'm not sure whether that CD fell off the tray here or with the customer. Maybe that was the issue. They couldn't eject or close the thing because of the disc. But yeah, it seems to be playing okay. So I'm going to put this on the test bench and let it play for a while. And yeah, maybe it stops playing after a while. Okay, so just finishing up on this TEAC receiver. It looks like the only issue was the dirty lens. Everything else has been tested fine. Played multiple CDs start to finish, and there's been no issues. So the customer should be happy with that. One last test. Yeah, no issues with that. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe as usual, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.